Job seekers and everyone. So today we are going to see a lot of job updates from Infosys, and you can see we are in the career page of Infosys. So you can choose the location whatever you want. So you have the locations like Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, then Mangalore, Mysore, New Delhi, and Pune. Then you can search with the keyword you want, like specifically if you want to search for some software development or quality control process specialist, you can search it here and find for jobs in your specific locations or anywhere in Infosys. So first, here are some hot jobs in all the locations. So as I said, there is Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Mangalore, Mysore, New Delhi, and Pune. So here is the hot jobs. So these were like recently updated. I will show you in a new tab. So here you can see like it is 141 jobs, that is in Infosys BPM, and in Infosys Limited you have 1622 jobs. Here you can set the filters for location, your skills, and experience. If you set it as like 0 to 1 years, you can see few of the job for 1 year, and 0 to 5 years, 0 to 4 years, 0 to 3 years. So these are for freshers if it is 0 to 3 years and all. So you can see there are fresher jobs too. So in Infosys BPM, you can see there is like process executive role in Infosys, and we have like 12 pages here. You can actually search it and see it. So let's explore some more jobs in Infosys. So here you can see the job opportunities across the functions. Like in BPM specialist, there is 131, and customer service associate, there is 4 jobs. In BPM specialist, there is 1 job. In business transformation program, there is 1 job. In solution design, there is 1 job, and in transition, there is 1 job. And here you can see the jobs across the location. In Bangalore, it is 74. In Pune, it is 42. In Hyderabad, it is 11. In Chennai, it is 8. In Gurgaon, it is 1. In Mangalore, it is 1. In Mysore, it is 1. And New Delhi, it is 1. So as you can see, everything here, you can choose specifically whichever you want. You can actually apply for each role you want. So as I showed you few of the job and freshers, I will show the description as well. So in Infosys BPM, I will choose the experience as 0 to 1 years. And here is process executive role. So if you see here, this is for BCom and BBA in BPO service line. So here you do not require any experience, and the graduation passed out year should be from 2022 to 2025. So let's go back and check in the Infosys Limited. So here we have, let me choose 0 to 1 years, and let me choose this one. It is CA role. So here you can see the service line is finance, and the education qualification that is required is associate chartered accountant. So the preferred skills are domain, finance, accounting, and reporting. So these are the things that is required from your side to apply for this role. And also there was some more roles. I will show you those things too. The same one, process associate, it is from BPM, and we have, that's it. I think that's it. So as I shown you all the job updates from Infosys, you can apply for each roles. If you are looking for the link, you can check the description. You can check the description and apply for this role. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.